To schedule a dash in the Dasher app, start by opening the app and tapping the Schedule button. This opens the scheduling interface where you can plan your delivery sessions. Next, select your preferred delivery zone from the map. Zones marked in red or dark pink indicate areas with high demand and more order opportunities. These hot zones typically offer better earning potential. Choose from available time slots, which are dynamically adjusted based on predicted demand. Peak earning hours are typically 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. for lunch rush and 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. for dinner rush. For maximum opportunities, monitor 3 to 4 adjacent zones simultaneously. Consider factors like commute time between zones, parking availability, and traffic patterns when making your selection. After selecting your zone and time slot, confirm your scheduled dash and you'll receive a notification. For best results, book your slots as early as possible and enable push notifications to catch new opportunities as they become available. Early access is a premium feature that allows experienced dashers to schedule up to 6 days in advance, compared to the standard 5 days. To qualify for early access, you must meet specific performance standards. Meeting these standards unlocks significant scheduling advantages and gives you priority access to the most profitable time slots. The primary benefit of early access is extended scheduling time. Standard dashers can schedule 5 days in advance, while early access dashers get 6 days, plus first priority on high-demand periods. Now let's explore advanced scheduling strategies that can maximize your earning potential. Schedule stacking involves booking consecutive time blocks for longer earning sessions. This strategy works best during peak demand periods when orders are consistently flowing. Finally, be aware of common technical issues that can interfere with scheduling. These problems have simple solutions when you know what to look for. App refresh problems can be solved by force closing and reopening the app. Time zone conflicts occur when your location settings are incorrect, so always verify your app location settings match your actual location. Mastering these early access requirements and advanced scheduling techniques will give you a significant competitive advantage in securing the most profitable delivery time slots.